Lake Hillier and Hugh Jackman. A unique duo awaits you. Embark on an enchanting journey that combines the surreal beauty of Lake Hillier with the charismatic charm of Hugh Jackman. Explore the captivating pink waters of Lake Hillier, a natural wonder in Western Australia, and then be captivated by Hugh Jackman's dynamic talents in performance and storytelling. This experience offers a unique blend of natural mystique and charismatic entertainment for an unforgettable adventure. Hello my dear friends, I am Setarehdan, your guide to the wonders of the world on the Tourism with Setarehdan channel. Together, we explore extraordinary global destinations and dive into the amazing lives of local superstars. Subscribe now for unforgettable adventures and unique insights. Your journey begins today. Lake Hillier, nature's pink marvel and a gateway to Western Australia's wonders. Have you ever dreamed of a place so enchanting and surreal that it feels like you've stepped into a different world altogether? Welcome to Lake Hillier, a bubblegum pink wonder nestled on Middle Island in Western Australia. This extraordinary natural marvel is not only a feast for the eyes, but a true testament to the remarkable diversity of our planet. In this video, we will delve deep into the captivating history and geography of Lake Hillier, share intriguing statistics about its enigmatic waters, and introduce you to some of the finest accommodations and dining options in the vicinity. Moreover, we'll shed light on other nearby attractions, ensuring that your journey to Lake Hillier becomes a truly unforgettable experience. The mystique of Lake Hillier. Lake Hillier, with its strikingly pink hue, is a natural phenomenon that defies expectations. Nestled on Middle Island, it stands in stark contrast to the surrounding landscapes with its vibrant and surreal appearance. The lake is relatively small, measuring about 600 meters in length and 250 meters in width. What sets Lake Hillier apart and continues to mystify scientists and travelers alike is its distinct pink color that remains unchanged even when taken out of the lake. The science behind the pink water. While the exact cause of Lake Hillier's unique color remains a subject of scientific study, it is widely believed to be a result of the presence of a specific type of microorganism, Dunaliella salina. This microorganism is known for its ability to thrive in high salinity environments, such as the saline waters of Lake Hillier. Dunaliella salina is not only responsible for the striking pink color of the lake, but also plays a vital role in the ecosystem of the area. This microorganism is a primary source of food for the numerous saltwater fish and migratory birds that visit the region, creating a delicate ecological balance that makes Lake Hillier a thriving natural wonder. Historical significance. The origins of Lake Hillier date back to the early 19th century when it was first discovered by European explorers. The lake was named after a cartographer and crew member of HMS Investigator, William Hillier. Since then, it has become a natural wonder, captivating travelers and scientists alike. Geographical location. Lake Hillier is situated on Middle Island, part of the Recherche Archipelago in Western Australia. Middle Island is the largest of the islands in the archipelago and is approximately 120 kilometers off the coast of Esperance. The best way to access Lake Hillier is through Esperance, a charming coastal town in Western Australia. From Esperance, you can take a scenic flight or join a guided tour that offers a unique aerial view of the lake and its surroundings. Accommodations and dining. For those eager to experience the magic of Lake Hillier, Esperance offers a range of accommodation options. From comfortable hotels to beachfront resorts, you'll find the perfect place to rest and rejuvenate after your adventures. Some of the notable options include the Esperance Island View Apartments and the Esperance Chalet Village. When it comes to dining, the local culinary scene in Esperance is a treat for food enthusiasts. Savor fresh seafood and international cuisine at restaurants like Taylor's and Quarters and the Loose Goose Bar and Restaurant. For a taste of the local flavors, be sure to try the delicious fish and chips, a Western Australian specialty. Exploring nearby attractions. While Lake Hillier alone is worth the journey, there's so much more to explore in this remarkable corner of Western Australia. Here are some nearby attractions that will make your visit even more fulfilling. Number 1. Cape Le Grand National Park. Just a short drive from Esperance, this national park is a natural wonderland, home to stunning beaches, unique rock formations, and an array of wildlife. Enjoy hiking, camping, and the iconic view from the summit of Frenchman Peak. Number 2. Pink Lake. If you're intrigued by naturally colored lakes, a visit to Pink Lake is a must. The water of this lake can turn varying shades of pink, depending on the time of day and the angle of the sun. It's a beautiful sight to behold. Number 3. Lucky Bay. Known for its pristine white sands and crystal clear waters, Lucky Bay is a paradise for beach lovers. It's also famous for being home to a friendly kangaroo population that's become quite accustomed to human visitors. Number 4. Esperance Twilight Bay. A serene and picturesque beach, Esperance Twilight Bay offers a peaceful spot to relax and watch the sunset. The water is perfect for swimming, and the nearby park is ideal for picnics. Final conclusion. Lake Hillier is a gateway to Western Australia's wonders, a place where nature's creativity and beauty converge to create an otherworldly experience. From its enigmatic pink waters to the rich history and diverse ecology, Lake Hillier has it all. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flight to Esperance, and embark on a journey that will leave you in awe. Discover the magic of Lake Hillier and the surrounding attractions and create memories that will last a lifetime. This is your opportunity to explore a corner of the world that is as mysterious as it is enchanting. Don't miss it. At this moment, I invite you to discover the achievements, secrets, and fascinating biography of Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman, the charismatic Australian actor, singer, and producer, is a true exemplar of the pursuit of excellence and the embodiment of talent. Born on October 12, 1968 in Sydney, Australia, Hugh Michael Jackman's life journey has been a testament to hard work, versatility, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Hugh Jackman's early life in Sydney was marked by his passion for performing. He attended the Western Australian Academy of Performing Arts and later honed his craft at the prestigious Actors Centre in Sydney. His journey from theatre productions to the big screen was paved with dedication and determination. He initially gained recognition for his stage roles in productions like Beauty and the Beast and Sunset Boulevard, solidifying his reputation as a versatile performer. Hugh Jackman's career skyrocketed when he was cast as Wolverine in the X-Men film series, a role he portrayed for almost 2 decades. His portrayal of the iconic mutant with retractable claws earned him widespread acclaim and catapulted him to international stardom. Beyond his superhero persona, Jackman has showcased his acting prowess in various genres, including musicals, drama, and action films.
From now on, what's waiting till tomorrow starts?
One of his most notable successes came with the 2012 musical film Les Misérables, where he played the role of Jean Valjean. His performance was widely lauded, earning him an Academy Award nomination for Best Actor. Jackman's talents also extend to the stage, where he received a Tony Award for his role in The Boy from Oz. Behind Hugh Jackman's remarkable success are a few incredible secrets. One of them is his dedication to his craft. He's known for his intense physical training and preparation for roles like Wolverine, transforming his body for the character. His commitment to authenticity and detail is truly inspiring. Another secret is his philanthropic endeavors. Jackman and his wife, Deborah Lee Furness, have been actively involved in charitable work. He co-founded Laughing Man Worldwide, a brand dedicated to supporting fair trade coffee growers, and the Laughing Man Foundation, which focuses on education and community development.
That's the thing I didn't realise. Bodybuilders will always say their body is 70% their diet and only 30% their training.
The reasons behind Hugh Jackman's enduring success can be attributed to his immense talent, versatility, work ethic, and genuine passion for his craft. He's not content with resting on his laurels, but consistently seeks new challenges and opportunities to push his boundaries. His ability to connect with audiences on an emotional level is a testament to his dedication to storytelling. In conclusion, Hugh Jackman's biography is a testament to the power of talent, hard work, and the pursuit of excellence. His incredible successes, along with his dedication to his craft and philanthropic efforts, have made him a beloved figure in the entertainment industry. Hugh Jackman is not just a versatile actor, but a true inspiration for aspiring artists around the world. If you enjoyed this trip and this video was interesting and useful for you, please click the like button to support us and write your opinion in the comments section. Also, share the link of this video with your friends and let them join our thrilling journeys. Embark on a captivating journey as we transport you to the ancient city of Persepolis, a historical treasure located in Iran that will leave you spellbound. Explore the remnants of a once mighty civilization, the Achaemenid Empire, and witness the awe-inspiring ruins that have stood the test of time. But there's more to discover. We'll also introduce you to the legendary Iranian footballer Ali Daei. Ali Daei, renowned for his extraordinary achievements and worldwide influence in the world of football, has solidified his place as an icon in the history of the sport. Join us for a remarkable fusion of ancient history and athletic greatness. Stay tuned for more in the next video as we continue this incredible journey. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to immerse yourself in this captivating content. Your next adventure awaits just a click away. In this section, I have two special suggestions for you. If you want to be more surprised and get more pleasure from getting to know the unique tourist spots in the world and the secrets of celebrities, be sure to watch one of these two videos that you see in the picture. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video.